Hey everyone, welcome back to Robin Gallagher's Vinyl Reviews. Sort of. So I went to Rough Trade today for my ASMR friends now. You won't see me doing ASMR, but I picked up a record and I thought I'd open it for you. So, this band, they're not one of my favourite bands, they're not in the top 10 to be honest with you, but one of the songs on this album I do absolutely love. And it's going to be great to listen to it. Now, also, off topic again, I can't, or maybe I can show you the front cover, but I'm going to have to blur it a bit, or put my hand over it. I picked up, it's called Surfer Rosa by the Pixies. I can show you the back. Now, it's stupid. I can't show you the front cover because there's nipples. Because she's bare-chested and has her boobs out, which I think is really stupid. It's like, but my videos aren't made for children, and anyone over the age of anyone under the age of 13 shouldn't be on YouTube. But still, I'm not allowed to show boobs. I'm a child, but I have to try and have a scissors, the scissors of life. Don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it. Where's the hole? Am I being stupid? There's the hole. I'm not good at... Got it. Oh, come on. There's always... I know it's supposed to protect it, but it's always put on so tight. It's an absolute pain in the ass. I'll do the... No, don't show it, because the video would be taken down or claimed. Nirvana's Nevermind. Some of you may know that there's a child's pee-pee on it, and I did my best to try and cover it when I did that video, but I must have forgotten at one point and then not checked it. So when I uploaded it, the video got taken down. I had to re-upload it with that bit cut out where I showed. I didn't do it on camera. Oops. Oh well. So yeah, I mean, it's a lovely album cover. I've never listened to this album before, but I have listened to one of the songs on it. All songs written by Francis except Gigantic, which was written by Mr. John Murphy. Really nice, really nice label on this album. Really nice label. A nice sleeve design as well. I don't know if I showed that. I'm really excited to listen to this album, and it will be reviewed in the future. But I won't do a review, just after I've listened to it for the first time, because, well, that wouldn't be fair, So we got Bone Machine. Side 1 starts with Bone Machine, and then Break My Body, Something Against You, Broken Face, Gigantic, River, I can't say that word. Side 2 starts with Where Is My Mind, which is the Pixies song I really love. Gracias. Does that say Gracias? I think so. Tony's theme. Oh My Golly. Vamos. I'm Amazed. And Buick is Red. I think that says. Oh, why is there a barcode on the back? Oh, I was going to try and get that off, but it's an actual on the album artwork. That's stupid. Why is there... I don't know why that is. But yeah, really excited to listen to that album. I believe the Pixies were influential in Nirvana's stuff, which came after, but I'm not sure. Thanks for watching this quick video, and I'll see you on the B-side.